Welcome to this video where we will be talking about writing in billions. So if you have followed this series, you would have noticed that we have moved from writing in thousands to 10,000 to hundreds of thousands, then to million, while for this particular video, we'll be talking about writing in billions. In billions. We're talking about writing in billions. So welcome to this video. It's going to be an interesting ride. So let me note the examples we are going to write on the board together in writing in billions. So these are the examples that we are going to be walking through in writing in billions. Let us start with the first example together. So we have 8788543255104. So how do we write this in words? Remember, the first thing we do is that we group them. That's the first thing you do. You group them. And how do you group them? You count in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, put your dash. 1, 2, 3, put your dash. 1, 2, 3, put your dash. Then this. Then the next thing you do is that you label the groups that you have found already. So we have this to be hundreds. Then we have this to be thousands. We have this to be million, where we stopped the last time. And this time around, what would this be? This would be billion. This would be billion. And so how do we write this in words? Very simple. Like the last time, you look at the group of numbers or the number that is under the group. So for this under billion, what many numbers are there? We have 2, which is 8 and 7. So 8 and 7 in words is 87. 87 what? 87 billion. 87 billion. Then under the million, how many numbers do we have? We have 3 numbers. And what are they? 854. 854 is what? 854. 54 what? Million. 854 million. Now, under the thousands, how many numbers do we have? 325. 325 is, we have 3 numbers, and so what is 325 in words? 325 in words is 325. So 325, what is the label of the group? What is the label of the group? We have 1,000, 325,000. So now, under the 100, what do we have? We have 104. What is 104? It is 104, not 140, because 40 is 4 and 0. So this is 104. 104. So that is the answer for number 1, which is 87,854,325,104. In words is 87,854,325,104. Walk through the next example together, the B example together. Then you will do the 3 and then walk through to check if you are correct. So we have number 2. What is the number 2 question? We have 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I know, a lot of 7s. So we have 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah, 7, 7, 7. So what's the first thing we do is that we group in group of 3s. So we have 1, 2, 3, group. 1, 2, 3, group. 1, 2, 3, group, and 1, 2, 3, group. Next thing is that we label those groups. And so what do we have here? We have hundreds, we have thousands, we have millions, and we have billions. We have billions. And so what's the next thing we do? We look at the numbers, the group of numbers or number under each group. And so what do we have in this group? We have 3 7s. And so 7, 7, 7 is what? 777. So that's 777 what? 777 was the label of the group. Billion. Yeah, you are correct. 777 billion. So under the million, how many numbers again do we have? We have 3 numbers. 777 will still give you what? 777. So it is still 700 and 77 what? 777 what? What is this? What's the label? Million. Then we have 77 again, 777. That's what? 777. What's the label? 1,000. 700 and 77,000, right? Then what do we have again? 777, that's what? 777, but what's the label here? 100. So that's 700 and 77. We are done. So 777, 777, 777, 777. I know it's a tongue twister. Is 777 billion, 777 million, 777,777. So I want you to do this number 3, 8549387114. Write it in words in your note. And when you are done, I want you to show your study guide to see if you are actually correct in the answer. And if you are not correct, I would love you to go back to this video and then check out where your mistake is from. Was it from the grouping? Was it from the labeling? Or was it from writing the numbers in words in each group? And if you were correct with this, you are to move on to the next checkout question or meet your study guide for exercises to solve, to sharpen your skill of writing in words in billions. I will see you in the next video.